What if the most terrifying monster in cinema isn't fiction, but a centuries-old misdiagnosis that science can now replicate in a lab? Hidden in your DNA is a flaw that could grant immortality, but at a cost an uncontrollable thirst for blood. The secret was buried in 1725. What doctors found in Serbian graves wasn't supernatural. It was pure biology. Today, you'll discover how genetic engineering could create a real vampire and why our fascination with them may be a survival instinct. And by the end, you may start to question if living forever is truly worth it. Welcome to the Teller of Tales, your channel of stories.
In 1725, villages like Medveda fell into panic. People claimed the dead were returning to kill the living. When Petar Blagojevich was exhumed, officials saw what seemed impossible: fresh blood on his lips and a body that looked unnaturally preserved. But the truth was far less supernatural. Decomposition gases caused the body to swell, while the skin retracted, making nails and teeth appear to grow. Modern science suggests the epidemic was likely anthrax or pneumonia, not vampires. So, how did these grotesque corpses become the seductive immortals we know today? The answer lies in a literary secret that changed everything. Could a human be engineered into a vampire? Genetics suggests it's possible. Immortality may lie in the FOXO3 gene, linked to extreme longevity and cellular regeneration, much like the near-immortal Hydra. A blood-based diet would require Dracula, an enzyme found in vampire bat saliva that prevents blood from clotting. And the aversion to sunlight? It already exists. A rare condition called xeroderma pigmentosum causes UV light to destroy DNA, leading to fatal burns within minutes. But what happens when this biology collides with the power of a real-world tyrant? That's where the myth grows fangs.
The charismatic vampire emerged in 1819 with John Polidori, but it was Bram Stoker who sealed the myth, drawing inspiration from Vlad the Impaler. Vlad was no undead creature, but a ruthless ruler, one whose brutality gave rise to legends of blood and terror. Stoker transformed that political horror, weaving in the sensuality and disease-ridden anxieties of the Victorian era, where illnesses like tuberculosis blurred the line between beauty and decay. The modern vampire is no longer a creature of the wild. It is something far more familiar, a reflection of our desire to dominate, to become the ultimate predator. But the next stage of this evolution won't be written in books. It will be built through technology. The technology to edit genes and pursue extreme longevity already exists. But the ethical question remains: would we create monsters in the name of saving humanity? The vampire myth endures because it speaks to our deepest fear, the inevitability of death. Now that you understand, the Dracula code may lie within modern biotechnology. Only one question remains: would you accept eternal life if the price was never seeing the light of day again? Leave your answer below. If you enjoyed uncovering the origins of this haunting literary classic, consider subscribing for more journeys into the shadows of history, literature, and the macabre. Until next time.